Hello friends, today we have Dr. Ritika Gupta with us. She is professor in Ellen Medical College, Indore, and I would like to request Dr. Nipun sir to present his book, AMD Clinical Handbook, and please say some words about this book, Dr. Nipun. I want to congratulate Dr. Nipun also for writing more than 10 books in last few years. Dr. Nipun is working tirelessly to train several retina fellows around the world, and he has successfully trained more than 25 fellows. I want to congratulate Dr. Nipun for inspiring young generation, young ophthalmologists to excel in their profession, to do extremely well in their professional life. So I would like to request Dr. Nipun to say a few words about AMD Clinical Handbook.
Thank you, sir, for your kind words. So, AMD Clinical Handbook I have written, and the purpose for this book is to practically how the consultants should counsel the patients with age-related macular degeneration, both dry and wet form of age-related macular degeneration. Because the patient will keep on asking, say, like, how will the prognosis of my vision would be, and how many injections would I need to get in wet age-related macular degeneration. So for practical purpose, how to counsel the patients in busy OPD, and how to manage these patients, and how to explain the disease progression and disease management to the patient. So I have written this book for the benefit of the fellows and the practicing ophthalmologists and the retina specialists. Thank you.
So congratulations once again, Dr. Nipun. And now today we have very special guest with us, Dr. Ritika Gupta. She is professor in ophthalmology, assistant professor in ophthalmology at Ellen Medical College, Indore. Dr. Ritika belongs to Bhopal, and she is very closely attached with our city, Kota. And I would like to request Dr. Ritika to say a few words about this book and about her association with Surya Hospital, Kota.
Thank you, sir. It's a very useful book, Dr. Nipun, and it's very means कि सारे fellows के लिए it will be very good book to read and get insight through this book. And thank you for gifting this book to me as well. Thank you, sir. It was very nice to meet you this time. And
thank you so much, ma'am. And the good aspect about this book is this is very handy. And I remember very well that when I was doing my post-period training, our professor used to tell me that book की size थोड़ा छोटी रखा करो, so that उससे क्या होता है कि psychologically it gives boost कि इसको अपन खत्म कर सकते हैं. डॉक्टर निपुण ने ये बुक इसी तरह से लिखी कि this book can be used in the busy OPD. This book can be used in busy OPD while seeing the patient. This is very handy and very thin and very handy, and this the text is also written in such a way that you can always consult it, you can always refer to it in the busy OPD. So once again, congratulations, Dr. Nipun, for excellent book. Thank you.
Many other books are in pipeline. They are available on Kindle edition also. So you can go and search my name on Kindle and go through the books for retina specialists and ophthalmologists. Thank you.
So I want to say a few words about Dr. Nipun. As his name suggests, Dr. Nipun, he is very much very much competent in his profession, his job, and he is working to inspire young generations. So these are the few lines. दीप हूँ जलता रहूँगा, मैं ज्ञानता की आंधियों से अंत तक लड़ता रहूँगा. So thank you so much for inspiring ophthalmologists around the world. Thank you for teaching them. Thank you so much for motivating them to excel in their profession. Thank you.